Introduction, King Bike. Welcome to King Bike. Today we're talking about one of the most popular commuter motorcycles in the market, the Hero HF Deluxe. Known for its simplicity, fuel efficiency, and affordability, this bike is a top choice for daily riders. Design and build quality. The Hero HF Deluxe features a clean and practical design. It comes with a simple body structure, attractive graphics, and a sturdy build. The upright seating position and lightweight frame make it easy to handle, especially in city traffic and narrow streets. Engine and performance. This bike is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and reliable performance. It's not built for speed, but it offers consistent power for daily commuting. The engine is refined and works well for short and medium-distance rides. Mileage and efficiency. One of the biggest highlights of the HF Deluxe is its excellent fuel efficiency. It offers impressive mileage, making it ideal for budget-conscious riders. With rising fuel prices, this bike proves to be a very economical option. Comfort and ride quality. The HF Deluxe provides a comfortable riding experience with its well-cushioned seat and smooth suspension setup. Whether you're riding on city roads or slightly rough terrain, the bike handles bumps quite well. Features and technology. This motorcycle comes with essential features like an i3S, idle stop-start system, in select variants, which helps save fuel. It also includes a simple instrument cluster and reliable braking system for everyday safety. Price and value for money. The Hero HF Deluxe is one of the most affordable bikes in its segment. It offers great value for money with low maintenance costs, high durability, and easy availability of spare parts. Conclusion. Overall, the Hero HF Deluxe is a perfect choice for daily commuters who want a reliable, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly motorcycle. It may be simple, but it gets the job done effectively. Stay tuned to King Bike for more